Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison between these two AI presentation tools, which is SlidesAI and Pitch. And here's the breakdown. SlidesAI uses AI to turn your text or prompt into presentation slide automatically. You type your ideas or paste content and it builds slide layout, titles, and bullet points for you. It's great if you want fast AI generated slide with minimal effort and don't care much about design details. Now I'm talking about Pitch. Pitch is a collaborative slide maker with some AI helper, but it focuses more on teamwork, plain design, and polished presentation. It doesn't auto-generate slide as fully as SlidesAI does, but it gives you strong template, written collaboration, and professional layout. So my opinion, Kill thinks SlidesAI is best for speedy AI created desk, while Pitch is best for teamwork and design focused presentation. And that's how it works. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review. And that's it.